Okay, so surface area. That face right there, there's one here and one at the back there. Okay, so surface area is going to be x plus 3 times by x minus 2, and you want to double that. Okay. And this face right here, there's also one there, and there's one on the back here as well, right? So that's 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1 times by x plus 3. And then lastly, there's one on the top, right? That is 2x plus 1, x minus 2x plus 1, x minus 2. So we want to double that. That's the expression. Okay, and they want us to actually expand this. All right. We can actually factor out the 2. 2, 2, 2. You can just factor it out and expand just the binomials. Okay, I think that'll be simpler. So let's expand this. You get x squared minus 2x and then plus 3x minus 6. Here you get 2x squared, 6x plus x minus or plus 3. Here you get 2x squared minus 4x plus x minus 2. Yikes, very long, right? Okay, so that are like terms, those three things. That's 5x squared. Okay, so that's plus 1, 7, minus 3, right? So plus 1, minus 3, so that's minus 2. 7 minus 2 is 5x. And then that's 1 plus 1, so it's minus 5. Now you just double everything. Okay. Part B. If x represents 5, what's the surface area? So that's 10. Plug in 5 in here. 5 squared. 5, 10. 25, 250 plus 50 minus 10. 300 minus 10. Okay, so the unit is centimeters squared.